Okay, on jobs that are big and running your $400 or $500 of materials, I like to buy tools, $45. And what this is doing is allowing me to crimp these ends. This is going to be kind of a combiner up in the attic. I'm going to try to get the two legs correct. And the back bedroom leg, what I'm going to do is this will be going to my box I'm going to modify over here. So this is where all the intake comes in, right? Below the evaporator coils. And so it gets sucked up. So I'm going to have to create a hole and a little plenum to go into this box. And then up there, there'll be a 90. And then that 90 will go, one of them, the 8-inch will go here. And then this will branch off to the living room. And this will branch off to the back bedroom. Now, I kept the back bedroom in line, hoping that I'll get a better flow, because the living room already has a 20 by 20 intake at the floor. Again, floor level intakes, they're horrendous. All right, so buying tools, doing a little crimp here to save the joiner. I'll take that back or keep it. But that way I can join all my flexible duct after I continue crimping. Okay, folks, so part 3 and the final part to my registers, intake, remote intakes, bedroom and living room. Mistakes, yeah. I watched the YouTube and the guy goes, yeah, put the mastic inside the tube, the Mylar tube here, and load it up, and then load the other side, squeeze it on, and then put on a hose, a clamp. But then if you read here, the instructions, there's no mastic shown, this gray duct sealant. So actually the best thing, and I did a couple of them that way, thank gosh they're just intakes, they're not under pressure. You got to use what they call out on right there. This is that $50 roll. So what they're doing is, lower materials and trying to say it's good. It's not good. You put that stuff on, it's going to stick good. And then, of course, you read the pressures and use a steel clamp or you use a plastic. And then another thing I messed up is, right next to the stuff is all the nice long 24-inch, where are they? Well, guess what? It doesn't fit an 8-inch hose. And then when you double them up, you're not going to get that cinching. So I had to go back and buy longer tie wraps, So make sure you got the right tie wraps, calculate the 8-inch. I didn't. Just saw them in the big box store sitting next to us, say, oh, these must work. So got it all in. This is the final thing. I put a little tube down here, cut a hole here, and then I'll be sucking back from two outlets in the back. Thank you.